Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. This is my Valentine's DIY project. This one is an instant frame. This is a Valentine's DIY picture frame. Look at this one. This is a heart-shaped egg molder. Look at this. This is decorated with a pearl lace. Okay, all you have to do, this is the egg molder. Look at this. This is an egg molder. Look, and you have to wrap around from here until the end. Just wrap around. If you have like this pearl lace, or you can use silver, or you can use a lace. This is silver color and this is the red color for the Valentine's. So all you need, just recycle your egg molder. This is the egg molder. You see, this is the egg molder, and you are using this for the eggs in the pan. So but now I am going to recycle this one as an instant picture frame, since it is a heart shape. So I got an idea. I'm using this pearl lace and wrap around from here until here. When you finish here, you just twist it on the other side. Look, this is the end, and you have to twist, and it is an instant picture frame. So if you have picture frame like this, just simply put this one on the front and the picture is on the back side. Okay, so this is how to recycle waste material and transform into unique and beautiful DIY project for the Valentine's. This is the Blessed Virgin Mary, and you can also put your picture at the back side. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle and used egg molder. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please stay connected so that you will learn how to create a DIY project made out from waste. Let us recycle our waste in order to minimize our garbage and keep our environment clean and save the Mother Earth from pollution. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. Please watch my live tutorials. Every day I am live doing or showing a DIY tutorial. So again, thank you to all my viewers and subscribers for supporting my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, SGM Creations and Tutorials. Please give a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.